Hi guys, this is Rashmi. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I do a lot of upcycling and DIY projects on this channel, so please subscribe and stay tuned for upcoming videos. But today we are going to tackle the leftover fabric from my previous upcycle. It's all about upcycling an old blue jacket with a Chanel inspired trim. Now with the leftover fabric, I thought let's keep it simple, make a cute little crop top with like a tie-up and a bralette situation, and it will be an easy DIY. But then I stumbled upon Layla's Japanese inspired upcycled bag, and I was so inspired by it. I thought this fabric would be ideal for that kind of upcycle, and I have never done a bag like this before. I've never stitched a bag like this before, so it'll be a really great challenge as well. I'm going to reference a video to make a bag, so if you guys want to try out this same upcycle, you can do. I have linked down the video which I'm going to reference. They have free downloadable pattern which I have already printed out. I'm going to cut them and I'm going to place them on this fabric and see how much I can maximize the fabric. I'm not going to do the exact replica of the tutorial. I know the Japanese bag's iconic design is the handle, but unfortunately I might not have so much fabric left to do the handle. Today the first task is to cut the pattern. Patterns are cut. I'm going to place them on the fabric that we have. We have a very limited fabric here, so I'm going to make sure it is maximized to its full potential. Today I'm going through the video again, and I'm going to note down all the steps that I'm going to thoroughly follow from the video, but there are a few steps I'm going to skip because I don't have the hardware, like the inner pockets and the actual zip. I don't have it, so I'm going to skip that part. Instead, I'm going to reference one of my bags. It has a magnetic closure, so I'm going to try to see how I can include that in the steps that are already present in the video. Come up with a plan to have this upcycle done by hopefully this weekend. So everything is cut, and even the interfacing is ironed on, the lining is cut, everything is ready to get stitched except for the handles. I am yet to figure out whether the fabric is enough to do the handles that I have in mind, or should I buy a new handle for this bag. But that I'm going to figure out at the end. To the metallic flaps, and I got them a long time ago, so I'm trying to find them. Let's see if we can find them in my DIY drawer. Here is the drawer. It has essentially everything. It should be, oh, that's right. Update on the fluffy handle. Unfortunately, it won't be possible. I did try to cut out rectangular pieces, but they were just 4 of them that I could get from the fabric. Unfortunately, that's not enough to make a proper handle. So plan B is to use this chain that I got from Hobby Lobby. So the next step is to complete the inner lining, the inner bag, then to add loops and a magnet to the front of the bag, and then hopefully finish this bag up. this is the final product. I really like how small and compact this bag turned out. I love the gold chain detail, and I think it can be a really casual everyday bag. And I liked the design so much that I made another version in denim with some tweaks that were necessary for the design. I added a white chain instead of the gold hardware, and I feel like this one is a statement. I know I couldn't make the Japanese handle, but these chain details look amazing with this design, and I hope to wear them on a regular basis out and about. What do you guys think about the bags made from scraps of my previous upcycles? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.